I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I'm trying to blind. They don't need to see me cry. 'Cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then when I'm finished, I'm all about my business. I'm ready to save the world. So taking my misery, making my bitch can be everyone's favorite girl. So taken and far away, I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can get me safe, but I'm on my way. The blood moon is on the rise, the fire burning in my eyes. No, nobody but me can get me safe, but I'm on my way. Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big wide world. She grew up within against the walls. Now and then she tried to run, and another night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. They warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark, and something came creeping. It told her, don't you worry, just follow everywhere I go. Top over the mountains of valley low, give you everything you've been dreaming of. Just let me in. Ooh. Everything you want, I'm gonna be the magic story you've been telling you, but safe under my control. Just let me in. Ooh. Then when I'm finished, I'm all about my business. I'm ready to save the world. So I'm taking my misery, making my bitch can be everyone's favorite girl. So take it.